Hello, mathematicians. We are going to work on MD7, which is additive angles. Basically, what that means is if you have two angles, and you know that this angle measures this many degrees, and this angle measures this many degrees, we're going to ask ourselves, what does the whole thing together mean? Okay, so if we start off, we've got this smaller angle on the bottom, which measures 30 degrees. This other angle on the top, which is about 60 degrees. When we combine them or add them together, they equal 90 degrees. They combine to form a right angle. Pretty cool. Let's do another one. This one is not going to equal 90. If you notice, my angle here doesn't start at 0. It's kind of up in the air, and this one's kind of up in the air, bouncing like a teeter-totter. Doesn't matter, because we are going to say that this angle right here measures 20 degrees, and this angle right here measures, let's say this one measures 95 degrees. How would we find the measurement for that whole new angle? Think about it for a minute. We are going to add them together. 20 degrees plus 95 degrees equals 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 plus 9 is 11, equals 115 degrees. So this angle equals 115 degrees. Okay, so that was kind of a quick but fun way to introduce that. Now we are going to get down to business. Okay, we are going to make an angle right here, and we're actually going to name this angle. We are going to name this angle JKL. So if we figure out that angle JKL measures, that looks like about 25 degrees. And we have another angle here. We're going to name that one angle JKM, and it equals about 20 degrees. My new question for you, class, is what is the measurement for angle MKL? Angle MKL. So we have 20 degrees here, 25 degrees there. When you combine those two angles, we combined this angle here and this angle here to make a brand new angle right here. What is it? We have 20 degrees plus 25 degrees equals 45 degrees. Okay, when you combine two angles to make a new one, that's the easy part of this assignment. It gets even more interesting because sometimes we are going to have angles with names because we are excellent mathematicians. We're going to name this first angle EFG, and then this next angle will be GFH. So we have two angles there together. We're going to have the information that angle GFH equals 60 degrees. We are going to be given the information that angle EFH, which is this angle, EFH. So the whole thing all together equals 115 degrees. So we know that this measures 60. We know that the whole thing together measures 115. Our question is, what is this angle right here? What does angle EFG equal? We're going to start by recognizing we have all of it. Take away how much we've used to see what is left. We've done this hundreds of times in the classroom. We just didn't always have the pictures to go with them. So let's write this down. We have the whole thing, which is 115 degrees. We're going to take away the 60 degrees that we know about, that we've already used, and that's going to tell us how much is left. 5 minus 0 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. So according to those measurements, what does angle EFG equal? That's right, 55 degrees. Okay, we're going to do one more practice problem together, and then you, awesome kids, are going to be on your own because you got this. You're amazing. Let's do a big old angle, should we? Okay, that's our full angle. And we're going to name this one U, V, W. And we're going to have another angle in here that dissects that. And that's going to be angle U, V, X. All right, class, if you know that angle U, V, W, so the whole great big thing, equals 150 degrees. Okay, so that is the whole thing is 150 degrees. You also know that angle XVW, that's here, XVW, so this part right in here, we know that it equals, we are going to say 110 degrees. I keep forgetting my degree mark. I apologize. Okay, so XVW measures 110 degrees. I'm going to ask you to pause the video and solve for, give me the answer for angle UVX. Okay, this angle right here. Before you start, we're going to review. You know that the entire thing is 150 degrees. This much of it is 110. So you need to solve for the missing angle right here. Go ahead, pause the video and solve for it. Okay, welcome back. I hope you actually paused the video and not just being the silly goose going right through. Okay, we know we started with 150 degrees. We used 110 degrees, which leaves us 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 1 minus 1 is gone, which leaves us 40 degrees to be used right there. So 40 degrees is equal to angle UVX. Okay, guys, for Common Core sheet, you need a paper. You need to solve your work on a piece of paper before you enter your answers. It will save you time. It will save you frustration. It will help your brain learn. Please, please, please do your math work on a paper. Good luck. This is going to be a pretty quick little unit. We're actually going to test on this tomorrow. So get good practice in. Use a piece of paper on your practice. Use a piece of paper on your test. Show your math work. It will help your brain and it will save you a lot of stress. Good job, guys. I'm proud of all that you're doing and see you when we have our math talk.